If you are printing barcode labels and the label printer runs out of ribbon, this error panel will be displayed on the ScanCare screen. The red error light will flash on the label printer. Grab a new printer ribbon. Press the two clips on the side of the printer to lift the lid. Lift the blue clip to release the printer carriage. Push the front spindle to the left to release it, and remove the used ribbon. Push the back spindle to the left to release it, and place it on the front of the carriage by pushing it left. Pick up the new ribbon and free spindle, and push the ribbon onto the spindle. Make sure the ribbon is sitting so that the red tab is facing towards the back. Pull the red tab away from the ribbon and fold the sticky part back so that it sticks to the ribbon. Unravel the ribbon and feed it down through the back of the carriage. Pull it out through the front and pull the sticky tab away from the ribbon and stick it to the cardboard core. Then wind the spindle until the black part of the ribbon comes up to the top. Push the carriage down until it clicks into place and close the lid. Press the feed button to clear the error light and you are ready to start printing again.